morning, class. Good morning. Okay, all of you, before you do homework, I want all of you look in front first, okay? All of you look here first, okay? We revision the phonic, okay? We revision this first, okay? Okay, I want all of you look here first, okay? This one is what? Vowels, okay? Still remember or not? Vowels. A, E, I, E, O, U, okay? This one is the vowels, A, E, I, O, U. Got 5, okay? A, E, I, E, O, U, okay? Still remember this one or not? The sound and the action. A is Teacher got teach you, right? The A sound is A is Okay, inside your hand got hands. A is E is what? E is you open the egg. Okay, you got sound. Okay. I is inchi. Okay, inchi. I is inchi. O is o. U is ak. Okay. Still remember or not? Okay, I want Shen do it for me first. A. E. Okay, E, I. Okay, very good. O. U. U. Okay, this one A is, read for me. A is E is right. A. Okay, I is okay, I is E. O is okay, O. U is okay, very good. Okay, now I want Abby read for me, okay? I E O U Okay. Abby, this one A is Abby read first. Shine read, okay? E is A-B-E is A. I is E. O is O. U is okay, very good. Okay, you must remember the vowels A, E, I, O, U. A is A. E is A. I is E. O is O. U is ak. Okay, this one still remember or not? This one is what? B. C. D. Have. Okay, F for fish. Okay, F, the sound is F. Okay, F got sound. If sound. Okay. G. Okay, the F sound class. The F sound is F. Okay, got sound. Okay, got inside the sound F. Like that. G. Okay, you must remember this one. Okay, can understand? Okay, later teacher will teach you others. Okay, now I want you to take out your reader book first. Okay, reader book, turn to page number 5. Okay, turn to page number 5. Yes, today we're going to learn letter D. Okay, D, mommy D and baby T. Big letter D, small letter D. Okay, you must know big letter and small letter. Okay, you see, first one, D. Okay, deer. Okay, this one is what class? This one is deer. Okay, D-E-E-R, deer. Okay, a small deer. Okay, where you can see the deer? You can see at the where you can see the deer? You can see at the zoo. Okay, you can see the deer at the garden. Okay, this one is deer, a small deer. Okay, what color deer is this? What color? Okay, brown. Okay, brown. Got brown color. The leg is what? The leg is what color? The leg is black. Yes, very good. The leg is black color. What about the body? Okay, inside the body got dot. What color? Got white color, right? Yes or no? Yes, you see here got the white color, the dot. Okay, this one inside the body. Okay, then this one is horns. Okay, the deers got the horns like this. Okay, so deer, a small deer. Okay, a small deer. Okay. Now, number 2. This one is what class? Number 2 picture is what class? Door. Okay, this one is door. Okay, you have your house also you can see. Okay, your house also got door. Okay, you open the door. You close the door. Okay. When you come inside, you knock the door. May I come in? Okay, you knock, then you come. Okay, you open the door. Then after that you go back or anywhere you want to go, you close the door. Okay, this one is what color door?
Door what color?
Blue. Yes, the door is blue color. Door. D-O-O-R. Door. A blue door. A blue door. Okay. D for deer. D for door. Okay. D. Today we learn letter D. D for deer. D for door. Okay, Xuan Xuan, can you read this one for me? Xuan Xuan, can you read this one for me? Okay, a small deer. This one is what when Xuan Xuan?
Door.
Door. Okay, very good. Okay, a blue door. A small deer. Okay, Abby, can you read this one for me, Abby? Deer. Okay, Abby, this one is what, Abby? Deer. This one? Door. Okay, now all of you look here. I want you trace the letter D. Okay, can you see the green color letter D? Okay, green color letter D, right? Okay, I want all of you trace. Okay, you trace the green color D. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, this one is the big mommy D. Okay, you take your pencil. Okay, you trace first. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. This one is the mommy D. Okay, you trace. Okay, D. Okay, you trace the green color letter D. D. Okay. Okay, after you trace the big letter, you go to the small letter D. This one is what color? This one what color, class? This one is pink color D. Okay. This one also same. You trace. Okay. Trace. Okay. Trace. This one is D. This one is the small D. You trace. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, after you done, okay, now we see the picture. Okay, here have a song. Okay, here got one song. Okay, all of you can see. Okay, let's sing the song. Okay, what is this class? This one is got one girl and she saw a deer. Okay, this one is one song. A deer is at the door. A deer is at the door. I see a little deer. The deer is at the door. This one is the deer. Okay, a deer is at the door. A deer is at the door. I see a little deer. The deer is at the door. Okay. This one is the song for the letter D. D, deer and the door. Okay, this girl saw a deer. Okay, you see, a deer is at the door. A deer is at the door. I see a little deer. The deer is at the door. Okay, the song is like this. Okay, she saw a deer. Okay, when she opened the door, there have one deer. Okay, she saw the deer, she's scared. Okay, so see, she opened the door, one deer is outside. Okay, this is the song. Okay, class, all of you can follow with me sing song or not? Okay, we sing a deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer is at the door. A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer is at the door. This one is the song for the letter D. D for deer, D for door. Okay, Xuan, can you sing for me? Can we sing together, class, all of us? Okay, we sing together, Okay, can? Yeah, very good, Xuan. Okay, Abby, can you sing with me? A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer is at the door. Okay, the song is like that. Okay, if you got time, you can sing. You go practice the song. Okay, you sing with your mommy, you sing with your daddy, grandma, anyone. Okay, this one is the song for the letter D. Okay, this one is the song for the letter D. A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer at the door. Like that. She saw a deer. Okay, can you understand this song, class? Can you understand this song? A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer is at the door. Like that. Okay, the song is like this. Okay, we sing together, can or not, class? Okay, we sing together, all of us. Okay, 1, 2, 3. A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer is at the door. Very good. Okay, this one is the song for the letter D. D for what, class? D for? Yes, D for deer. D for? Door. Okay, a deer. Okay, a small deer. A blue door. Okay, this one is door. You can open the door, you can close the door. Okay, this one is we call door. This one is deer. Okay, deer have brown color. Okay, the leg is black color. The body is white color. Got dot, white color. The body. Okay. D for deer, D for door. Okay, do you like this song or not? Who like this song? You like this song? Yes or no, class? Do you like this song or not? Yes, okay, I also like, teacher also like this song, okay? Later you all can sing, you sing with your mommy or daddy, okay? You can sing, okay? A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer is at the door. Okay. Okay, can I understand this page today? Okay, who understand? Can understand all, Abby and Xuan? Okay, D for deer, D for door. Okay, you don't write anything, just you trace this letter only. Okay, D for deer, D for door. Okay, Now you done this one. Okay, I want you take out your activity book. Okay, take out your activity book. Okay, can. Sure. Okay, now all of you take out your activity book. Okay, all of you turn to page number 6. Page number 6. Okay. Okay, page number 6. Today you're going to learn letter D. Okay. Okay, today the letter is D. Page number 6. Okay, page number. Okay, all of you look the question first. All of you look here first. Trace and dotted line to complete the picture. Then fill in the missing letters. Okay, first we see the picture first. Okay, I want all of you see the picture first. Okay, first you have to do what class? You have to trace. You have to trace. This one is, what picture is this? What picture? This one is deer. Very good. So, please take out your pencil and eraser first. Okay, first you have to trace. You trace the body, you trace the deer. Okay, first you trace the deer. Okay, don't rush. Slowly do first. Okay, you trace the deer. Okay, trace the deer first. Okay, you must follow with the line, class. You have to trace the deer first. Okay, you trace ready. You trace like this. Okay, you see picture 1. It's look like this. Okay, after you trace, the deer look like this. Okay, you just trace which one they put the dotted line. Okay, others all you no need to trace. Where they put the line, where they have the got line, you just trace first. Okay, you no need to color anything. They ask you to trace only. Okay, 不要 color. Okay, just trace the picture. Okay, you trace the dotted line, then you make the correct answer. Okay, after you make, you have to write the correct answer. What answer you should write here? Is this deer or door? What answer, class? Is this deer or door?
Deer.
Yes, dear, very good. Okay, so after you trace, you write the answer. They already give you the letter, the first in front and the middle letter. So you have to fill up the correct answer. Okay. Okay, after you trace, you show to teacher first. After you finish this one, then only you go this one. Okay, you don't do this one first. You trace the deer picture. Okay, you write the correct answer. Okay. Okay, you got to align. Okay, no need to color. Trace first. Okay, you trace. You see the lines. Okay, you see the lines and you trace. Okay, you can see D for deer. Okay, very good. Xuan. Okay, how to spell deer, Xuan? Okay, how to spell deer is D-E-E-R. Deer. Okay? You have to spell, you have to see the picture. You must know how to spell the word deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Okay? Okay, can you see on that class? D-E-E-R. Deer. Okay, teacher wait for you. Okay, you done ready? You show to teacher ready? Okay, wait first. We know yet do this one, right? Okay. We wait for Abby finish, okay? Abby done or not, Abby? This one? Okay, D for deer, okay? You trace, you trace. You see, it look like a deer. Okay, a deer. Okay, you can solve the deer at the zoo. Okay, at farm. Okay, we can see we have lot of deers. Okay, some got brown color, some black, brown, black color like that. Okay. Okay, you trace Sahas. Okay, wait first, you don't write first, okay? Wait for Abby finish first, okay? I want you all finish, you must show to teacher first. Okay, teacher wait for you, okay? This one is letter D. D for deer. Okay? You see it look like a deer. When you trace, you see the body, the leg, okay, face, everything you can see. When you trace, it look like deer. It's look real deer, okay, deer. Okay, a deer, a small deer. Deer, D-E-E-R, deer, okay. Okay, no need to write day and date and class. We just trace the picture. After that only we go to the letter D. Okay, don't color, no need to color, okay. Okay, deer, D-E-E-R, deer. Okay, you trace. Okay. Then we go to this one, okay. This one is letter G, okay. First A B, wait for A B, Okay, D for deer. Okay, you must remember what teacher every day teach. You must remember, okay. You must know. A for what? A for apple. A for arrow. B for what? B for B. B for bear. C for what? Still remember C for cow. C for carrot. Today we learn letter D. D for what? D for deer. D for deer. D for door. Okay? Okay. This one is what letter? Xuan, this one is what letter, Xuan?
What is 不知道，这是什么
D.
？D 的。
Okay. Okay, Abby done. Okay, very good. Okay, so now we go to this. Okay, behind. Okay, the down one. Okay, we see trace and write. Okay, you have to trace, then you have to write back. What letter is that? Okay, first, I want all of you take your pencil. You trace this big letter D, the black color one. Okay, you see, first they write 1, 2. Okay, when you're writing the letter D, when you're writing all the letter, you can count. Okay, when you're writing the C, okay, you see 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, D for. Okay, first you're going to trace what letter? The capital letter D. D. Okay, you trace and you write back on class. Okay, you trace the letter D like this, huh? Okay, this one you see D. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, after you trace, you're going to write the letter D in this box. Okay, in the 3-line box. Okay. Okay, first you count 1, 2. One, 2. Okay, can see, huh? Okay, please write properly on class. And teacher teaching, you must listen carefully, okay? You must see first how teacher write the big letter D and the small letter D. Okay, first when you're writing the first letter, big letter D, you count. When you're writing the small letter D also, you need to count. 1, 2. Okay, first the big letter you count. 1, 2. Okay, the second is small letter. 1, 2. Okay. Okay, teacher show to you. You see how teacher write. Xuan, see, D. Okay, the letter D. Okay, how to write the big letter D and the small letter D. First, you trace. Okay, you trace, then only you go to, you write the D. Okay, now you write the small letter D. 1, 2. Okay, you see, 1, 2. Okay. Okay, Xuan, very good. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Can you see how teacher write? You see D. D for deer, D for door. Okay, this one is big letter D. This one is small letter D. Big letter, capital letter D. Small letter C. Big D, small d. Okay, if you want to remember, okay, you remember like this. Okay, this one is mommy D. This one is baby. Like that. This one is mommy D is big. Baby D is small. Mommy D is big. Baby B is small. Okay, you can remember like that. Okay. Okay, after you trace letter D, okay, what letter can you see here? What word you see here, class? Who can say to me? This one is what words? This one is deer. Okay, then this one is what letter? What words?
这个是什么？这个是什么？这个 D O O R is D O O R is door.
Very good. Okay, this one is deer and door. Okay, so you trace the deer, door, deer.
D-E-R, deer. D-O-O-R, door.
Very good. Very good. Okay. Door.
What color is this? What color is this? Bird is what color?
Brown. Brown color. Okay. Brown.
Door. D. It's a D-E-E-R. Deer. Bị tay tay của mình đồng nha.
Okay, class, when you writing the words, you see here got the 3 lines. Okay, when you trace the letter, you must follow. You write inside the line. Okay, you cannot one letter big, one letter small, cannot. Okay, you must follow. Okay, the one is all small letter means you have to follow write small letter. If all big letter, okay, you write big D. Okay, the D must be all big. Okay, you must start which letter. Okay, D for deer, D for door. Okay, teacher wait for you. We wait for your friend. Okay. Okay, this one you don't color anything because they no same color or no puyao color. Okay, puyao color picture. Okay, just trace only enough. Okay, you must know what is the D for deer, D for door. Okay. When you got time, okay, you can take one of piece of paper. Okay, you can write how to write D. Okay, you can take if you want to write in the book also can. Okay, or you want take one paper, you want write A, or you want write B, C, D. You can write. Okay. Okay, D for deer, D for door. Okay, we wait for your friend. Your friend is doing. Okay. Okay, you must remember the song. Okay, when every day we come to the class, we sing lot of songs. So today we learn the D song. Okay, D for deer, D for door. A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer is at the door. A deer is at the door, a deer is at the door. I see a little deer, the deer's it at the door. Okay. D for deer, D for door. Okay. Abby done? Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Okay, D for what, Abby? D for okay, D for what, Abby? D for deer. Okay, D for door. Okay, how to spell deer, Abby? How to spell deer? Okay, very good. How to spell door? Okay, very good. D for what? Okay, very good. D for deer, D for door. Okay, very good. Okay. Now you done today this one. Okay. C, A, B, C, D. Okay, you still remember or not the A, B, C, D class? Okay, this one is what? A for what? A for apple. A for okay, very good. B for what? B for B. B. Okay, B for bear. Okay, B for B for bear. C for what class? C for what? C, remember C for? Okay, very good. C for cow, very good. Abby, C for? It's a carrot. Okay. Carrot, cow. Okay. D for what? D for? D for what? D for what? D for deer. D for deer. D for? Door. Okay, very good. Okay, today you learn letter D. Okay, now you all can close your book first. Okay. Okay, now we want to read the card. Hello, card. Okay, we want to read the card. Okay, now we want to read the card ready. Yay! Say hello to Kat. Hello, Kat. Hi.
Say hello, Kat.
Hello. Okay. Okay, class read. Apple. Apple. Okay, this one is what class? Arrow. Okay, class, all of you look teacher first. Okay, we read first. Apple. Arrow. Bee. Bear. Cow. Cow. Carrot. Carrot. Deer. Okay, D for deer. D for door. Okay. Okay, now I want Abby read for me first. This one is what, Abby? Okay, how to spell apple, Abby? Okay, very good, Abby. Okay, next. very good. Okay, next, this one, Abby. Okay, very good. This one, Abby. Very good. This one is what? Bear. Okay, very good, Abby. Okay, next, this one, Abby. Cow. Moo, moo, moo. Moo, 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 moo. Sound. Okay, cow. Okay, this one is what, Abby? Some more. Okay, very good. How to spell carrots? Carrot. Okay, very good. This one is what? This one is? Okay, how to spell? Okay, very good. This one? Okay, this one is door, right? You knock, 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 knock. Who is there? Who is this? Can I come in? Okay, you go. Then when you want to go outside, okay, you close. This one we call door. Okay, very good, Abby. Xuan Xuan, can you read this one for me? Okay, very good, Xuan Xuan. Okay, next. Okay, very good. Okay, next. Bear. Okay, this one? Xuan Xuan, this one, Xuan Xuan. Okay, very good. Next, this one. Carrot. C. Okay, very good. This one is what? Today is D for? Okay, this one to spell? Okay, very good. This one? Okay, today we learn D for deer, D for door. Okay, this one is deer. Okay, you see this one is deer. This one is what class? Door. Okay. Okay, can understand class? Today we learn what letter? Today you learn what letter class? D for?
Deer.
Okay, D for deer. Okay, D for?
What is door?
Okay, very good. Okay, Abby Kenna. Okay, now I want all of you keep your book first.
Keep ready.
Okay. Okay, thank you class.
Goodbye, teacher. Goodbye, Abby.
Bye, thank you class.